Hello students. In today's lecture we will discuss preparation of alcohol by reduction of aldehyde and ketone. You know that aldehyde and ketone are carbonyl compound. For carbonyl compound means carbon and oxygen double bond containing compound are known as a carbonyl compound. So reduction. If we want to perform reduction of this carbonyl compound, then we have to use a reducing agent, and as a reducing agent we can use a different type of metal. By using this different type of metal like nickel or a platinum or a palladium, this fine powder of this metal we can use as a reducing agent. Sometimes we are using sodium borohydride as well as lithium borohydride as a reducing agent. So by using this reducing agent, one can carry out reduction of aldehyde as well as ketone. Suppose I am doing reduction of aldehyde. Reduction of aldehyde can be done this structure of aldehyde. Now reduction of aldehyde can be done by using any one catalyst out of this. Suppose I will use a sodium borohydride. Then by reduction using a sodium borohydride, I have written 1 and 2. So both are reagent. After reaction completed with first reagent, we will add a second reagent in a reaction mixtures. So when reduction occurs, this carbon-oxygen pi bond will break and hydrogen will be added on carbon as well as oxygen. And as a result, by reduction of aldehyde, we always get a primary alcohol. This you have to put in your mind. आपको आपके दिमाग में बिठा लेना है कि by reduction of aldehyde, by using any reducing agent out of this can be used as a catalyst. Reduction of aldehyde gives us always primary alcohol. Similarly, reduction of ketone. Now out of this we can use any reducing agent. Generally we are using sodium borohydride. Suppose I will use sodium borohydride as a reducing agent, then reduction of ketone give us always secondary alcohol. So this thing is quite easy thing. Reduction of ketone give us secondary alcohol, reduction of aldehyde give us primary alcohol. Now question will arise how this reaction occurs. तो आपको इसकी मैकेनिज्म पढ़नी पड़ेगी. Now quite easy things. जब भी हम सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट लेते हैं as a reducing agent or as a catalyst, then it gives us a Na plus ion और BH4 minus ion मिलता है हमें, BH4 minus. Now in the first step of mechanisms, a carbonyl group, suppose we are studying mechanism of aldehyde, then very easy things. This oxygen having a more electronegativity, so it is a partial negative charge. This carbon having a partially positive charge. Now in hydride part out of this 4, this hydride give electron pair to this, with this hydrogen with electron pair means hydride. This hydride give electron pair to carbon. So carbon और hydrogen के बीच में bond form होगा. जैसे ये bond form होता है, this pi bond is weak, this weak bond will break. So as a result, we will get this type of structure. R, now it has a one hydrogen and one hydrogen added, and now here oxygen. Oxygen के पास दो non-bonding electron pair 3 and one more king. So now oxygen having 3 non-bonding electron pair. अब in next step of reaction mechanisms, इसका protonation होगा. So in our reaction medium, we will add a water molecule second. So this oxygen give electron pair to hydrogen. तो चलो इस water का इस तरह से लिख लेता हूँ मैं. In this way I have written this water molecule. So oxygen give electron pair to H plus of a water. So now we get this structure in this way. Here H, here H, and here OH. And with this we are getting a hydroxyl ion. तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि एक हाइड्रोजन है, एक हाइड्राइड है, एक एल्डिहाइड का रिडक्शन हुआ, तो 1 molecule of sodium borohydride can reduce at least 4 molecule of aldehyde. So we can write in this way, in reactions 1 mole of sodium borohydride can reduce 4 mole of aldehyde. तो यदि हमने यहाँ पे 1 मोल लिया है, then we can carry out reduction of 4 mole of aldehyde to alcohol. और reaction suppose ketone है, then same method of mechanisms, minute change. कि चलो कीटोन है तो कीटोन में हमारे पास RC डबल बॉन्ड R डैश. सो जब हम कीटोन की मैकेनिज्म पढ़ रहे हैं, RC डबल बॉन्ड और R डैश. अब सिंपल थिंग कि चलो यहाँ पे बोरोन हाइड्राइड है, ये बोरोन हाइड्राइड ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर देगा. इट इज गिव टू दिस कार्बोनिल कार्बन. सेम मेथड, नो एनी चेंज. यहाँ एल्डिहाइड के पास हाइड्रोजन था, कीटोन के पास अल्काइल ग्रुप है. हाइड्रोजन गिव इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर टू कार्बन. दिस कार्बन ऑक्सीजन पाई बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर ट्रांसफर ऑन ऑक्सीजन. तो ये बॉन्ड प्रिपेयर हो गया. कार्बन, कार्बन के साथ R डैश, उसके साथ ऐड हो गया हाइड्रोजन और यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन. नाउ वंस अगेन 2 नॉन बॉन्डिंग पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन के पास थी. Now 1 more added, so now oxygen आएंगे 3 electron pair. So now in reaction medium we have a water as a reagent. चलो water को इस तरह से लिख लिया मैंने, H2O, HOH. Oxygen give electron pair to H. Protonation हो जाएगा water के साथ and we get this type of structure, RCHOH and R dash, and this is nothing but सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल. तो हमें मिल गया बाय प्रोडक्ट में यहां से BH3 और यहां पे हमारे पास बाय प्रोडक्ट में मिला हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन. सो इन दिस वे 1 molecule of sodium borohydride can reduce 4 molecule of aldehyde or ketone. By reduction of aldehyde we get always primary alcohol, and by reduction of ketone we always get a secondary alcohol. चलो आपको ये मैकेनिज्म समझ में आ गई. Then we have to study few example of reduction of aldehyde as well as ketone. तो स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपके सामने ये 4 स्ट्रक्चर रखे हैं. उसके रिडक्शन से कौन सी प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी और उसका IUPAC नेम क्या होगा वो आपको लिखना है. तो यदि आपको आता है then pause your tablet, laptop or a mobile and complete before me. चलो ये फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर है ब्यूटेनॉल. सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट ये एल्डिहाइड है तो उसके रिडक्शन से हमें मिलेगा अल्कोहल. कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड विल कन्वर्ट इन ए CHOH. तो स्ट्रक्चर हम लिख सकते हैं CH3 CH2 CH2 और यहाँ पर CH2OH. चलो इस स्ट्रक्चर में टोटल 4 कार्बन एटम and alcohol. So name of this structure is butane-1-ol. चलो सेकंड स्ट्रक्चर कीटोन का है. एल्डिहाइड के रिडक्शन से हमें प्राइमरी अल्कोहल मिला. नाउ रिडक्शन ऑफ कीटोन, दिस इज एसीटोन. सो हाइड्रोजन विल बी एडेड ऑन कार्बन एज वेल एज ऑक्सीजन. सो रिडक्शन से हमें ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. मैकेनिज्म आप जानते हो. नाउ CH3CHOH. सो हियर टोटल 3 कार्बन एटम इन चेन. सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, second carbon have a hydroxyl group. So name of this compound propane-2-ol. So propanone में से एसीटोन का IUPAC नेम है प्रोपेनॉन. प्रोपेनॉन में से हमें मिला propane-2-ol. चलो अब ये थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर है वो बेंजाल्डिहाइड है. सेम एज एल्डिहाइड तो उसके रिडक्शन से हमें प्राइमरी अल्कोहल मिलेगा. एक हाइड्रोजन कार्बन पर और एक हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन पर ऐड होगा तो हमें ये स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है बेंजीन रिंग एंड CH2OH. चलो इस स्ट्रक्चर का कॉमन नेम है बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. हमें IUPAC नेम देना है. तो फर्स्ट कार्बन पर मिथाइल रिंग है सो वी कैन राइट दैट 1-phenyl. नेम ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर वी कैन राइट 1-phenyl और 1 कार्बन देयरफॉर इट इज मिथेनॉल. सो स्ट्रक्चर का नाम हो गया 1-phenyl मिथेनॉल. अब ये स्ट्रक्चर, नेम ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज एसिटोफिनोन. तो चलो एसिटोफिनोन के रिडक्शन से हमें क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलती है? बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक, हाइड्रोजन एडेड ऑन कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन. सो हमें ये स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा Now benzene ring CH, CH3 and here OH. Now it has a 2 carbon atom on first carbon phenyl as well as OH group. So we can write 1 phenyl. We can write name of compound 1 phenyl ethanol. So dear students, in today's lecture we have completed preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound by reduction of aldehyde as well as ketone. Hello students, today we will study preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. By using this reduction of aldehyde and ketone, we have studied in previous lecture. यदि आपने वो lecture नहीं देखा है तो देख लीजिए, उसमें मैंने मैकेनिज्म दी है तो आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरह से हम रिडक्शन कर सकते हैं. अब carbonyl compound like carboxylic acid as well as ester can also reduce. For a reduction of carboxylic acid as well as ester, we have to use a strong reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride. By using sodium borohydride, we can't get comparable good yield. So for reduction of ester, we are using lithium aluminium hydride. Now first carboxylic acid. Now I have this carboxylic acid RC double bond OH. Any carboxylic acid we have. Now reduction of this carboxylic acid we will perform by using a lithium aluminium hydride and water. So by reduction of these things, here double bond will break, hydrogenated on carbon as well as protonation of oxygen occur. So as a result, we will get a primary alcohol. So by reduction of this carboxylic acid, we will get always primary alcohol. We can prepare this different type of primary alcohol. For example, suppose I have a acetic acid. Acetic acid is also known as ethanoic acid. Now, reduction of acetic acid is done by using this lithium aluminium hydride. And with this second reagent is water molecule. So reduction occur, double bond break, carbon hydrogen get oxygen. So as a result, we are getting a alcohol CH3CH2OH and this product is known as a ethanol. Similarly, any carboxylic acid can be reduced. Suppose I have a aromatic benzoic acid. This benzene ring C-double-OH means benzoic acid. Now benzoic acid reduction done by using this lithium aluminium hydride. Same reducing agent, no any change. So by reduction of this, generally we have to use a more energy. So reduction of, if we want to perform carboxylic acid, generally we are used to convert in a ester. Suppose direct reduction done by us, then we have to give a more energy and we get this product CH2OH means we have obtained benzyl alcohol, or it is also known as a phenyl methanol. So by reduction of carboxylic acid, we always get a primary alcohol. But the reduction of carboxylic acid is little difficult. So generally, first carboxylic acid will converted into alcohol. Suppose I have this carboxylic acid. This acid is allowed to react with alcohol. By reduction of carboxylic acid in alcohol, we get an ester. And structure of ester we can write C double bond O R dash and water molecule as a byproduct. Now, whatever ester obtained to us, it allowed to reduce by using this lithium aluminium hydride. So reduction will be quite easy. So by reduction of ester, we will get a 2 mole of alcohol. One will be obtained from this part and second will be obtained from other part. So as a result, we get this type of RCH2OH and the second will be R-OH. So we are getting a 2 mole of alcohol. Now suppose RCO, number of carbon atom in RCO and number of carbon atom in OR days are same, then we get 2 mole of alcohol or same 2 mole of alcohol. Otherwise we will get a different type of alcohol. For example, I have this structure. Now you know that name of this structure CH3COOCH3. This is nothing but methyl acetate. Now reduction of methyl acetate done by using this lithium aluminium hydride and water. So this reduction is carried out by us by using first lithium aluminium hydride and second by using a water. This bond break, reduction occur and we get a 2 moles of alcohol, one from this part and one from another part. So we are getting this alcohol CH3, we can write this CH3 CH2OH. So this will be a ethanol. So one molecule or 1 mole of ethanol will be obtained. And from this part we get a 1 mole of methanol. So by reduction of ester we get a 2 mole of alcohol. Sometimes we get symmetric, sometimes we get a asymmetric alcohol. यदि दोनों molecules, suppose कि मैंने ethyl acetate लिया होता तो हमें 2 मोल ethanol के मिलते हैं. Suppose instead of this, I have taken this structure. Reduction of ethyl acetate is done by us. Name of this structure, ethyl benzoate. Ethyl benzoate का reduction करते हैं by using this lithium aluminium hydride and by using a water molecule. तो चलो इसका reduction यहाँ से होगा. This bond will break. Hydrogen added on oxygen, then hydrogen added on carbon and oxygen. So इसके reduction से हमें 2 mole of alcohol we are getting. First molecule will be benzyl alcohol और इसमें से हमें मिलेगा ethanol. Structure we can write in this way, CH3 CH2OH. तो ये structure है benzyl alcohol और ये structure है ethanol जिसको आप पहचानते हो. So in short, reduction of carboxylic acid give us alcohol with a equal number of carbon atom. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में जितने कार्बन है उतने ही कार्बन एटम वाला हमें प्राइमरी अल्कोहल मिलेगा. बट सपोज we have did reduction of ester, then reduction of ester giving us 2 mole of alcohol. Now if number of carbon atom of RCO and OR days are same, then both mole of alcohol will be similar. और if number of carbon atom will different, suppose यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पर 2 है, then we are getting 1 mole of 2 different type of alcohol. Reduction of carboxylic acid is little tough, so technique is acid easily can be converted into ester, then after ester is reduced and we will get a 2 mole of alcohol. So dear students, in today's lecture we have studied synthesis of alcohol from carbonyl compound by reduction of carboxylic acid as well as ester.